Right, I want to just share this with you. I threw it together literally quite a few years ago for sharpening blades. I only use it for the ripsaw blades. These finer blades I send off to get fixed because they need to be a bit more accurate, but it's basically a diamond disc. I'll put a link to that. That's from Amazon. It was only about £7. I've had this a few years now and it's wearing, but it's still going. I've sharpened these blades a couple of dozen times at least. It's an angle grinder. These bolts go into the handles. There's another one underneath that you can't see, and it's literally just bits of wood screwed together. I've always meant to make a better version. This was the prototype, but as with anything, it works, so I never changed it. This disc slides, that's solid. Blade, just very snugly fits over the top of there. Then you can sharpen each blade, give it a bit of a wiggle. It does a surprisingly good job for pennies, for very little money. I'll set it going, let's show you. So, mark the starting point, that'll do. It's very noisy. Don't know if it'll focus, but see if I can get my hand behind it. There you go. Cheap as chips. Cost me £7 or £8 to get them sharpened. I've got to take them 7 or 8 miles from here, then wait a week. It's not the prettiest of machines, but it works. That's all I need.